How's it going, everybody? If you have an issue with a nuisance bird, some of you who have, large windows or mirrored windows that the bird jumps at and is territorial in front of and pecking on the house and sort of thing like that, a solution that does work, it has worked for me before, and here's an example of it right now. I have one of these little trapdoor traps that is obviously open right now. And if you put you some bird seed inside the trap, birds will get used to it and start going in and just eating away, feasting away, whatever. Most of them are not heavy enough to trigger a trap like that. Only a few of them are heavy enough or rambunctious enough to jump on that little trigger if you see it to the right side there. This little guy here, the Carolina wren, is obviously not heavy enough, but the point is, get you one of these traps, tie you a nice string to it, run the string into the house, which I don't have it set up like that at the moment. However, run you some good strong string, inside your door. That way you can set it to where when the right bird goes in, I am seeking a nuthatch. There's a nuthatch who has been pecking on the side of some window trim and damaging it. And I want to capture the guy and take him elsewhere. So he has gone in there many times, and I've missed him each time. But the trick is, if you can attach a string, or a thin rope or whatever to the trap, like right on the front is where I have it, obviously. Bring that little string in the house so that you can close the door on command, basically. These traps like this don't take much movement to make the trap door shut. So if you just tug on your little rope just a tad when the right bird is inside there, you will capture him. And then you can take him away, whatever. I did that with a female cardinal that was totally terrorizing this entire street side. It took me 2 years to catch it, but I caught the thing and took it elsewhere, and it hasn't returned since. But there's your trick. Get you one of these traps. You can get them at most, Ace Hardware or Walmart or wherever. Tie you a nice string to it. Bring the string in the house. I also I keep that trap in place with some nails that are going straight down. I don't hold it in place, completely, but I do keep the trap from falling off of that railing. So you may have to, come up with a way to keep the trap from completely falling off the thing when you tug on the rope. And you will catch all kinds of wildlife, squirrels, other birds. I've caught all kinds of things with this thing, but, you can just let them go and, keep moving on until the right subject gets trapped. Anywho, there's your how to catch a bird that is a nuisance. And, it's not always easy to try and shoot it with an airsoft rifle or a pellet gun or whatever. That's not easy to do, especially if you've got houses nearby. I've got houses all around here. If I start shooting, BB guns and pellet guns, I'll put out the dang neighbor's window over there, and then I've got more trouble than just a bird. So anyway, this is the best way I've found, because all those other tricks and products that they say you can purchase, honestly, they don't work. I've tried them all. They just do not work. So this is the only way you can capture a bird and then do whatever you want with it selectively. All right, there you have it. Like, subscribe, follow. We're always doing more stuff. Check y'all later.